Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to teach you Tok Pisin from Papua New Guinea. So I'm originally from Papua New Guinea, and Tok Pisin is one of the most widely spoken languages in PNG. So Tok Pisin was developed as a language, like a mixture of English and other languages that was used or is used to communicate with people from different provinces and tribes, because PNG has over 800 languages. So Tok Pisin is the language that we use to communicate with people from other provinces and other tribes. So I was thinking that I'll create this video series on Tok Pisin. So if you guys want me to continue on this series, please let me know in the comment section below, so I'll continue. So in today's video, we'll start off with some greeting words. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. So greetings in Tok Pisin. We'll start with the very first basics of the basics. Hello. In Tok Pisin, we say hello. So either you pronounce the H or without the H, it's just fine. You can just say hello. Okay. Thank you. In Tok Pisin, we say thank you. Okay, we don't really stress the TH. We just say thank you. Okay. Moving on, we say goodbye. How do we say goodbye in Tok Pisin? We say goodbye, or you can just say bye. Okay. Next up, we have see you later. That's a common one where when we want to say goodbye, it's usually Lukim you. So see you later, we say Lukim you. Lukim you. Okay. Next up, we have what is your name? So what is your name? In Tok Pisin, we say Wenem name blow you. Okay. Take note that what I'm teaching you guys here is the way we actually speak it. Okay. For example, if in a formal Tok Pisin class, Wenem name blow you might be written Wenem name belong you. Okay. Blow you, it's just a spoken one. We don't really say belong you in everyday way we speak. We just say blow you. Okay, so I'm sort of teaching you, or in my series of videos, I just want to teach you the way we speak it, right? Tok Pisin on the streets, if you like. So when I name blow you, I'll delete the other one. Oops. I'll delete this one. Okay, so when I name blow you, when I name blow you, when I is what? Name is, of course, name, blow, off, your name, off, and you. Okay. In reply, you can say, my name is. In Tok Pisin, we say, name blow me am. Name, blow me of my name. Am is. Name blow me am. And then you say your name. Okay. Another one can be, how are you? You're right. You orait. You, of course, is you. And how are you is all right. It's like the English version of all right. I'm all right. But in Pidgin, we say all right. All right. Okay. And finally, I'm fine, thank you. You can say in Tok Pisin, me orait tasol. Thank you. Okay. Me, I'm all right, meaning I'm fine. All right. Tasol. Tasol is just an expression that we add in to say, you know, me orait tasol. I'm fine. It's all good. Okay. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Okay, so these are just some of the words, greeting words in Tok Pisin. If you want to learn more words in Tok Pisin, please comment below so I know that you're interested in this type of videos. So I'll create some more videos in learning Tok Pisin, PNG Tok Pisin. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.